Here's our IRA journal prompt for number 4, and this week we're looking at the book Chrysanthemum. Go ahead and scan this if you haven't already and listen and watch the video of Chrysanthemum, and after you've done that, then we can go ahead and finish our journal prompt. Your questions for today are, why do you think Chrysanthemum's classmates teased her about her name? And what would you have done if you were Chrysanthemum? So you have 2 questions to answer today. You can answer both questions with one sentence. Since we're still practicing how to make a sentence, I've added some words for you to help you complete your thoughts. So the words that are already written say, I think the kids teased Chrysanthemum because, and you fill in the blanks, finish off the sentence, and that will be the end of your first sentence, so put a period there. And then your second sentence says, if I was Chrysanthemum, I would have, and write and tell me what you would have done if you were Chrysanthemum. And that will be the end of your second sentence, so put a period at the end to end your thought. Don't forget your name at the bottom.